Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to actually be remaking a cocktail from a wedding that I did today. Now, today being Sunday, this is Cocktail Monday, so I did it yesterday. Anyway, so first off, thank you Emily and Alex for allowing me to bartend at your wedding. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the honor. So now we're going to recreate the groom's old fashioned. Now it's an interesting cocktail. It involves pineapple syrup, and I don't have Jamaican rum, 100 proof Jamaican rum, or I don't have Wild Turkey 101. I figured this would be a good choice, maker's mark. I don't have Jamaican rum, so we're going to use white rum. Angostura bitters, oranges for garnish, and pineapple syrup. Okay, so look. Now in this cocktail, I actually forgot my jigger. I'm going to tell you the measurements, and you're just going to make it how the hell I tell you. You got me? All right. So let's make this here old-fashioned. Okay, so since the syrup's right here, this is a pineapple syrup I made myself. We're going to add 0.5 ounces to the mix. Then we're going to add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now this is an interesting old-fashioned that I had to make today. I didn't even get to try it. I got to try the mix, but I didn't get to try the actual cocktail when it was done. We're going to add 1.75 bourbon. And then we're going to add 0.25 Jamaican rum. Don't have that, so we're using white rum. Let's add our ice. You know, I forgot my strainer too. Freak. Whatever. We'll deal without. Let's put an ice cube in there. See, this is a part of the whole learning experience, you know? That I'm missing things. Let's give this a good stir. Okay, now, the final thing. Well, not final, but we're gonna pour the mix in there. Let's see how well I can do stopping the ice. I'd say pretty good. We're doing all right. Not too shabby. Oh, Jesus. Well, it's there. So now, we have our drink. And we're gonna get a nice slice of orange, really thin, like really close to paper thin. Okay, that looks ugly, but it's going in. Let's try the cocktail. Like I said, this is a cocktail I made at a wedding. Seems pretty cool. Let's give it a taste. My guests were not kidding. This is really strong. And I had Wild Turkey 101 and a Jamaican rum that was over 100 proof. And I'm saying this is strong. So, you know, it must have been really strong. But it seems like a good cocktail. It's still pretty sweet as well. Now, I told you the measurements, but it still could have been a little off. Who cares? It tastes good. I'm going to drink it. Thank you guys for stopping by. The wedding was super cool, and we got to have a good time. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all stopping by, and this was my old fashioned. Take care.